Hi children, today class again about subtraction, 3-digit numbers. Before session I explain about the 2-digit number, how to do the subtraction, and if the number is having, it will be upper place value, how to take borrow I told in only 2-digit numbers. Okay, now it will be easy 3-digit numbers, how to do the subtraction without borrowing. Okay, first 3-digit number, subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. Now down, subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. Subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. Okay. See, for example, I am writing here. First one, 892 minus 431. 892, 431. How to do the subtraction? Subtractions mean what? Find the difference also it will be, we will do the subtraction only. Difference also it will be considered as subtraction. If he is asking difference between the two numbers, means what? We have to consider as a subtraction. Okay, now it will be how to arrange in ones, 3-digit number, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, ones place column 2, then right to left it will be 9, then it will be 8. Okay, then we have to write again, ones place should be compulsory, ones place only, then tens place is 3, hundreds place is 4. Now we are applying subtraction. We have to do the subtraction. We will keep subtraction. 2 minus 1. Take it 2. 2 minus 1. It will be become a 1. 2 minus 1. 1. Then again 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is a 6. If you don't know, then go to 8. Take it fingers, 3 we have to remove, 8, 7 and 6. Answer should be is a 6. Then fingertip it will be is a can't. Because of you are going to higher classes, finger it will be neglected. Okay now, avoid the finger counting, then do the brain, you can sharpen it. It will be think it about brain only. 9 minus 3, it will be become a 6. Then again you have to go to the 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Difference it will be how much we got? 892 minus 431 is answer 461. 461 is a difference of the given number. Difference of the given number. Now we have to go to the next one. Second I am explaining. Okay, 3-digit number. First one, 498 minus 123. 498 and 123. Then we have to go to the right. How to write? Then 498. Ones place should be ones place. Tens place should be tens place, and 100 place should be 100 place. We have to apply the subtraction. Then go to 8 minus 3 is a 5. 8 minus 3 is a 5. 9 minus 2 is a 7. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Difference is a 375. Difference is how much we got? 375 in between. Difference of 498 minus 123 is it will be become a 375. Difference is 375. Sir. The next one, if the first one number should be is a 3-digit. If the number it will be having 2 digits. How to do the subtraction? See here, 792 minus 40. 796 minus 43. 700. See, first one should be is a 3-digit number. Second one it will be is a 2-digit number. How to do the subtraction in between the 3-digit number and 2-digit number? Then we have to arrange the whatever he gave the number, that numerical numbers we have to arrange in the vertical method according to the place values. Okay, we have to arrange in vertical method according to the place values. Here 796, then 43 is having ones place is 3 and tens place it will be is a 4. If I have to 100 place is not there, if you keep 0 also no problem, then otherwise you can leave the blankly. Then 6 minus 3 it will become a 3. 6 minus 3 is a 3. 9 minus 4 is it 5. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 7 it will be, number is not there, then you can write directly, it will be 7. Then 7 plus value is 100. Indifference between the 796 minus 43, we got the answer. It will be difference is a 753. Isn't it, children? This is the how to do the subtraction. How to do the subtraction. See, one more time I explain. See, whatever he gave the number, we have to write in the vertically. Then what he gave the number, we have to write the every number vertically according to the place values. According to the place values. Then always subtraction should be compulsory from right to left. We have to do the right to left, meaning what? For smaller place value to the bigger place values. Okay, children? See here, smaller place value compared to 100 is smaller place value is ones. Ones place value compared to again ones place after subtraction, then go to tens place value. Compared to the 100 place value, tens place value is lesser. That then we can go to the tens place value. Last it will be 100 place value. Means what? According to the place value, we have to subtract from the right to left side. Always subtraction move from the right to left. From right to left. Addition also from right to left only. By the same way, subtraction also we have to go to from right to left. One more few examples I will explain about the subtraction. See here 3 examples over. Then we can go to the one more example. See, if he gave the like this 538 from 649. See, always subtraction should be compulsory. We have to subtract from the bigger number to smaller number. Always subtraction should be bigger number to smaller number. First, see here confusion, don't do the confusion. It will be easy. For the subtraction very easy. Always subtraction. We will take out from the bigger number to the smaller number. We will do the subtraction from the bigger number to smaller number. Then we have to take out which is the from this 538 from 649. From we have to means what? From this number to this number we have to subtract. From 649 to 538 we have to subtract. Then we can write whatever he gave the number. First we have, how we have to write vertically according to the place values. Vertically means what? We have to write 649. 649. 9 is a ones place, 4 is a tens place, 6 is a hundreds place. In the 538, ones place is it will be 8 and tens place is a 3 and 100 place it will be become a 5. Then you have to do the from which one you have to subtract. Subtract means we have to apply. This topic is it will be only about the subtraction. The topic is about the subtraction. Then I will explain. Okay children, thank you.